back, ladies and gentlemen. For today, Friday, September 10th, we are looking at the expectations of Avid scholars at Mendes and in room 210B. For today, ladies and gentlemen, we will be doing a homework check as you're due now, and I will show you what that is in just a moment. We will be doing some slant work, and we will be looking at college interests. Homework is to prepare for binder checks. For your due now, you will take out and make sure that you have both your Avid syllabus contracts, your study buddy form, and your binder check form from 9-1 to 9-7. I will be taking that and grading it today during your due now. Then you will be working on some slant work based on the form I have given you in class. We are going to practice what it means to use slant as a scholar. Lastly, you will be working your exit ticket. What college and universities would you like to learn more about? As this is an Avid class, I would like to tailor it to the interests of my students. If you guys have any questions, please feel free to reach out to me before or after school or see me during tutoring hours. I'll see you guys tomorrow.